How to install Facebook Pixel on Shopify. First, log in on your Shopify account and in your homepage, in the left side of your screen, click Apps. Then in the search bar, type in Facebook. It will redirect you to this page and all you have to do is select this Facebook and Instagram option. Now just click Add App. You will be once again redirected to another page. And all you have to do is just click Add Sales Channel in the top right corner of the screen. After that, it will open this page where you can start selling on Facebook and Instagram. Simply scroll down and click Start Setup. In this setup page, just complete connecting your account, your Facebook account, and your business assets, and just follow the next steps. Here, simply click Connect your account. It will open another page and let you sign in on your Facebook account. Just confirm your Facebook account, click Allow, and it should successfully connect your Facebook to Shopify. Now, if you see a data sharing preference option, just choose the enhanced one and then click Save. After that, just scroll down and this is where you can connect a pixel to track customer behavior. In this blurred part, this is where my Facebook and business accounts are. And I just click Connect in the right side as you can see. And once you connected all of your desired accounts, just click Confirm. Then read the terms and conditions and just click I agree to Facebook's seller agreement and Facebook's business tools terms. Once you're done, just click Submit for review and they are already creating your shop. And that's it. You successfully installed Facebook Pixel on Shopify. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.